Hey, it's Keith. I'm over here at Colin's farm, and I want to show you the chicken plucker that he's been working on. Pretty neat. You'll have to check it out. Alright, look what we made here. It's a chicken plucker. $55-gallon drum, some metal boxes, a motor, and a drunk guy.
Yeah, buddy!
Alright, here's the bottom side. A motor coming through, a belt, down to a lawnmower blade pulley. The lawnmower blade assembly is down here somewhere. It's underneath the plate. There's a nut that holds the lawnmower blade in. All the pluckers are spaced on 2.5 inches. So only 4 sets around the outside. It's going to need another set. But it's about as simple as that. If you like what you saw here today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.